Hey, what up, YouTube? I just want to stop and remind you the market never goes down. All right. Now, I know you might have thought we were going to go down. I thought we were going to go down too. And the reason I'm still doing this after 25 years is that I still continue to see unprecedented things. And I'm sick of that word, actually, at this point. I've never seen anything like this before in my life, and I've been trading my whole life. Seriously, guys. Electric car companies out of China. Are these real companies? I don't know. But you know what? The stocks are acting as if they are legitimately the new Teslas. Everybody that didn't make money. Yeah, bro. Yeah, I could show you all my weed now, right? It's legal. Yeah, I got 17 varieties of it. But got the homegrowns. I got them all. Yeah, I mean, I'm psyched. I might open up a day trading weed dispensary out of my house. I don't know if you can trade them out, if you're allowed to do it out of your own house, but we'll see. I'm going to call my friends in the industry, see what I can do. But I've got some friends that have been making edibles for 30 years, and I think it'd be pretty cool to have like a, like make it a non-corporate kind of thing, make it where it's everything in the shop is homegrown. Obviously we'd have a limited supply, but you keep the store open for just a couple of hours. You come in, you get what we have, make it like, like a breakfast place where they just serve breakfast. We just serve homegrown stuff. So I would get all my friends who grow, have them send that to me, sell their stuff, have my guy who makes caramels, he makes cookies, he does, he makes the butter. So I could sell the butter for you guys that want to make your own product. I think it'd be pretty cool. Trade in the morning, take a nap, and then open up for business and sell weed all day, and then do it again tomorrow. But back to trading, I've never seen a market where if you've got money and patience, you can't lose. You legitimately can't lose. The one trade I was getting beat up on this year was DraftKings. Not beat up. I was in from 37.50, and I had a chance to sell it at 60. I bought more at 50. I brought my cost average at the 42 and change. Things at 35 bucks. You know what? It held 35. Bang! You bounced 7 points. I'm in Cybercock again. If you guys remember Cybercock, CYH. If you remember my last video, probably weren't around, but I was loading up on Twitter and PBI, and they got hammered after they reported. But you do some dollar cost averaging, you hang on for a couple of days. Next thing you know, boom. But right now, what's going on is, again, the word unprecedented is kind of making me sick at this point. But we have stuff. We've got moves that are unbelievable and unprecedented. It's getting tiresome to keep saying that. But when you've got electric car companies, again, we know that we can't trust stocks that are coming out of China, but as long as you can get in every day and hang on to them for the day, and you're getting paid, and then if you want to sell them at 4 o'clock and then do it again, you'll miss some of the gap. But there are days where you get the gap down, like NIO. NIO tries to shake people out every day. You have these gap downs, then it goes green, and next thing you know, you're up 4 points. So NIO, XPEV, KNDI, and LI, just XPEV, it's just another IPO. IPO break 20, it goes to 22.50. It goes to 22.50, it goes to 25. Breaks 25, it goes to 30. It breaks 30, it goes to 50. So XPEV, I don't even know what this, I thought this was a drug company up until the other day. I saw a commercial, they were talking about it, about how, the company got, I forgot which, I think Toyota or Honda put some money into XPEV. The stock rallies 50%. And then you got companies like, when Cramer's getting it right, this is a batshit insane market, right? Cramer, who's basically sucks, he's always top ticking everything. He made a nice call on Upwork, UPWK, right? This is what we're seeing. When stocks are breaking out, they're not going up 10%. They're going up 50%, 100%, 200%. This is why I think this market is ridiculous, and why, it's hard to be a bear, but when I see moves like this, I always think that, all right, this can't end well because I was there in 1999, but this is different. This is different. These are real legitimate companies. These are not parabolic moves. A lot of these moves are consolidations and then breaking out. So NIO has been a consolidation breakout monster. XPEV, it's a little parabolic right now, and Upwork is crazy, but that stock was awful for 2 years, and now it's broken out, and who knows? But a 50% move in a day, I mean, this is the kind of market where you're being rewarded for being irrational, and you have to stay irrational with the market. All right, it's okay to be irrational right now because you're getting paid. The days of buying the dip or buying low and selling high, it doesn't really exist anymore. It's buying high and selling higher because we just keep going up. And the days that we don't go up, you just wait 3 days and we're back up. So as far as I'm concerned, and this is why I want to touch base for you guys, political uncertainty over the last 30 years as I've been watching the market has never been bullish, except for now. Because nobody gives a fuck. Because the government or the Illuminati, whoever the they is to you, I think it's the Illuminati, they're not letting the market go down. There's too much money. There's nowhere to put it because you're not getting any interest on anything else. So if you can't afford real estate, you got to buy the QQQ or buy any breakout on any stock. And I find it hilarious that today I got to buy, I'm on every email list there is. I got an invitation to do a class, not me. Join my class. We'll teach you how to buy breakout stocks. What's to learn? The reason that this is the easiest market ever to trade is that all you need to do is buy stocks when they break the prior day high. And if you find an IPO that's breaking a new high, like Upwork, buy it. If you find XPEV, it's breaking new highs, buy it. KNDI, LI, breaking new highs, buy it. I've never seen a market where everything's working, like really legitimately everything. And if you don't panic and you don't trade over your head, you're going to be fine. You can't go wrong buying the Qs. We were at 267.50 on Friday. I thought we were about to roll over and test 260 again. And now we're 30 points higher, 30 points on the Qs in 4 days. This is ridiculous, but it is what it is because the money was waiting there on the sidelines. If you believe it's really money that's pouring into the market or artificially going up based on nothing at all, which kind of is, they just changing the price. But I'm going to tell you, Cybercock, we've been waiting 5 years for this move. CYH, Cybercock. You guys remember Cybercock, remember? Look at the chart on Cybercock and tell me you don't want to be a part of this right here. At 747, you got a 5-year breakout. And you popped, you pulled back, you consolidated, and now you're popping again. CYH. It's my gift to you. This thing's going to be $15 within a couple of months. But really, right now, it's all momentum, all IPOs, all 52-week high breaks are working. So I don't care what stock it is, okay? If you find a stock that's breaking 52-week highs and then it's breaking an all-time high, stay in it because you're getting 20% on top and then you're getting 30%, 50%, 100% moves. Again, I'm bearish everything because you're not supposed to go up 100% on a stock. Usually those are pump and dumps. When you get a stock that goes up 50% in a week, normally that's some pump and dump, and that's going to roll over and die. But now it's every stock. CYH, I got $1 million in it. CYH, Cybercock. You guys don't remember why Cybercock is Cybercock. I'll tell that story some other time. But I'm big into PLTR now, right? The stock finally broke out, back above 10, back above 1140. Where's it going? It's got to go to 1250. It's got to go to 1250. So now that Cybercock broke out of a five-year range, where's it going to go? If this thing doesn't go to $10, I'll be shocked. So you load up on these things and just enjoy the ride. I mean, you're getting paid on everything right now. I've never seen anything like this before in my entire life. I really have not seen it. And I've seen every market. I've seen booms. I've seen busts. I've seen crashes. I've seen rips. I've never seen this before. It's just everybody wants in, and you have to pay up to be involved. You have to pay up. I mean, stocks like ATI are moving, US Steel, KMI, Halliburton's back in play. I mean, everything's working. But I'm loving this PLTR. I'm looking for 1250. I think it's going to happen in the next day or so. But Cybercock, if you can get this thing in 750 again, you're risking $1 to make 7 or 8 points on this trade. I do like Pitney Bowes, even though it got its ass kicked on that SmackDown. And I like Twitter too. Now that it got slammed down 10 points, you got to love it. And if you like, some of these names, Neos and the Chinese car companies, any dip has been a buy as long as it doesn't break the 5-day, the 5-day low. You just stick around. I mean, you're getting paid on everything. It's nuts. It really is nuts. Stay away from the pump and dumps. Don't trade over your head, and you'll be fine. PLTR, Twitter, Cybercock, PBI, some of the things. And again, I don't even like to own stocks, but you have to own something in this market. So I look for these cheap pieces of shit that come back, like ATI. Look at this move, ATI, big time today. This one's been dead for a while, but now suddenly busting out. So if this thing gets over this 1050, you're good for another 20 or 30% upward. I bought it. I didn't want to hold it into the earnings because I got very bad luck. And, my luck continues with that because it exploded into the earnings. But, this thing's going to $50 now. Give me a pullback to 25 or 22.50. I'm in, because this market is not going down. And I think we're going to go up probably for the next 8 to 12 years. I think we're going to Dow 1 million. And I'm bearish, but I'm not going to fight. I've given up. I'm not trying to make sense of it. I'm not asking where the money's coming from. I'm done asking questions. It is what it is. They're running this market. Nobody wants to get out. Everybody wants in. And you'll rotate from sector to sector, because I'm going to tell you something. The worst scenario is happening. I thought if we didn't elect the president on election day, the market was going to crash. And I've never been this wrong in my career about anything since 2012, when I had that massive QQQ short that destroyed me. I've never been this wrong about the market, ever. So I'm done. The answer is Funko. People ask me, why this, why that? What do you think? I don't know. I don't know anything, obviously. I know one thing's for sure. You can't get in the way of this market. You're going to get steamrolled. And sometime 4 to 6 years from now, when the Qs are at 900, maybe we'll sell off. When the Dow's at 40,000, maybe we'll have a sell-off again. But we've made it through a pandemic. We've made it through uncertainty in the election. And I am completely stupefied, mortified, and mystified. But if it's going to keep working, you have to keep doing it, right? We're in the middle of a pandemic. We can't elect the president. We have no idea what's going on. And the market is loving it. It makes 0 sense to me. I know I'm a perma bear. Again, I've only been bullish because I've learned not to fight the market. So in theory, I'm super bullish, but deep down inside, I find this to be complete fuckery. I mean, it's insanity. It really is insane. Stocks are not supposed to go up 50% in a day on an earnings beat. I don't care how much you beat it. You're not supposed to see stocks that are already up 600% pop another 50. You're just not supposed. It's not supposed to work like this. But you know what? This is the new normal. And I hate that phrase, but this is the new normal. You buy high, you sell higher. There are no more dips. There are no buying opportunities. It's just get involved, hold your nose, and we're going. We're going. Grab your nut sack, and we're going higher. It's my birthday. I'm 49. I've got 5 or 6 more years of this. I got a new fish. I told you I'd show you my new boomstick for Jersey. I got my scopes and all that stuff. So if you guys want to come shooting with me anytime, we're going to throw the biggest fucking hit the bid party ever when we're allowed out of our houses. So come to the chat room, man. I got 250 people hanging out with us now on a daily basis. You know, on my other website, I got 1,000 people logging in every day, and they think I'm a super genius. And the funny thing is, I'm just telling them to get into stocks. This is like the old suck by NASDAQ. Thanks, guys. This is like the old suck by NASDAQ. If I sell something, you're good for 30% the next day. Because I'm not even in the NEO. I'm mortified that this thing's at 40 without me. I had a 20-30 call spread, and I'm sitting here. I got squat now. I'm getting called out at $30. I got to sit here looking at the stock going up every day, and I'm getting called out. So I'm not going to make the same mistake. I'm not selling calls ever again. I'm never doing call spreads. I'm just in, and I'm gonna let it ride. So I got Twitter. I got PBI. I got Cybercock, CYH. I got PLTR. I got XPEV. I got GoPro. Yeah, I got smoked in Limelight, but that one didn't work out. But man, it's just it's phenomenal. I hope you guys are doing well. And you know, Thursday nights I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do it tonight because I'm probably going out for my birthday. But every Thursday night we get together and we rock out. I mean, it's turned into a really cool event. We get 250 people. You know, and we're talking guns, fishing, VWAP, charts, anything goes. We're having drinks, we're smoking weed. I mean, it really has turned into a pretty freaking cool event. So if you guys, I know you guys, you know, I've been talking about chat rooms with you for 10 years, and I know some of you show up, some of you don't show up, but show up on Thursday nights because it really has turned into a real money-making situation. Because what we do in the midst of drinking and having a good time, we crunch some charts and prepare for those weekly options where I've hit some 50 baggers. I mean, 50 times your money. I mean, I usually don't put too much on the line, and I don't make the 50 bagger, you know, you're selling into the move. But some of these ideas, even like a Halliburton for 2 cents, you get a 30-cent move, you know, on a Halliburton on a Friday, you make on 2 cents, you make 15 times your money. Just, it's unbelievable. I don't know, man. I'm a believer in conspiracy theories. I have no idea. I want to see the final count in Wisconsin, because I was reading somewhere there's more people that voted in Wisconsin than there are people that live in Wisconsin. So I don't know, man. I don't know what to believe. I just thought the market was going to crash if we didn't have a president by this today. I legitimately thought we'd be down 10%. I thought we would be getting smoked right now because of the uncertainty. But you know what? We're already past it. There's still nowhere else to put your money. This is this is the sickest thing I've ever seen in my entire life. And I've seen every market. I've been doing this my whole life. I've been watching the market since the 5th grade. I've never seen this before. I've never seen this before. People don't care. They trust. Chinese stocks are hot again. I mean, Chinese car companies. I mean, seriously, the money is just coming from all angles, just looking for something to do with it. I mean, I'm sad I took most of the money out of the market to buy that building, but you know what? The building's kicking ass already. I'm fully rented. I was scared that the pandemic was gonna, be in bad shape. I'm fully rented, all 16 units. I mean, it's unbelievable because I'm in Jersey. People are coming out of the city looking for a little office space, and I got it. But you know what? if I would have taken all that money and just thrown it into the queues over the last 3 days, I would have made it what I'm going to make on this building in 2 days. Sick. But all right, I just wanted to say good luck, and I'm still thinking about you guys, and go troll those other YouTubers for me because they got nothing. They offer nothing. I'm banging out winners every day, options, man. These guys offer you nothing. So do me a favor, go troll them for me because I don't got the time for it anymore. All right, good luck. I'll see you guys in cyberspace. Peace.